This is the review for tomorrow's test on modeling and solving equations. Problems 1 through 4, we're supposed to solve and check each of the following equations, circle your answers, and then order the variables from least to greatest. So this first problem, h over 3 equals 5. We can undo this division by 3 with the inverse operation, which is multiplication by 3. Just have to make sure you do that on both sides. 3 over 3 is 1, so on the left side of this equation we're left with h equals 5 times 3 is 15. Before we circle that answer, let's check it. If h is 15, then 15 over 3 should equal 5. 15 divided by 3 does equal 5. So that checks out, and that answer is good. Number 2, 29 plus s equals 46. We need to isolate the variable s, so I need to get rid of this 29 by subtracting 29. I can do that as long as I do the same thing on the other side. Positive 29 and negative 29 is 0, so on the left side of the equation we have s equals, right side of the equation, 16 minus 9 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, so s equals 17, but again let's check that first. 29 plus 17 should equal 46. And it does. So that's a good answer, s equals 17. Okay, problem 3, negative 15 times m equals 600. We can undo multiplication with the inverse operation, which is division. So I'm going to undo this times negative 15 by multiplying by by dividing by negative 15. And do that on both sides. Negative 15 over negative 15 is 1, so we just have 1m, or m on the left side. And then 600 divided by negative 15. I have a positive divided by a negative. If the signs are different, the answer is negative, so negative 40. Let's check that. Negative 15 times negative 40 should equal 600. We know that a negative times a negative equals a positive, so we know the sign's correct. 15 times 40 600, so that checks out. M does equal negative 40. On number 4, we're subtracting 75 from c. So I'm going to undo that subtraction with addition, the inverse operation. That equals 0, so we just have c on the left side. And I added 75 to the left side, so I have to add 75 to the right side. 8 and 5 is 13, carry the 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, carry the 1. So c should equal 203. Let's check it. 203 minus 75 should equal 128 if we did it correctly. 13 minus 5 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2, 128, that checks out. So C equals 203. For 5 through 7, we're to create a model for each equation shown below. So on the left side of this equation I have 2x plus 4, so show 2 x's plus 4 chips on the left side, and on the right side of the equation I have 6, so show 6. Each one of these is positive 1. 2x plus 4 equals 6. Number 6 we have on the left side of the equation 5 plus 3x, so let's show 5 1's plus 3 x's, and on the right side we have 8, so let's show 8 1's. On problem 7 we have 7 equals x plus 2, so on the left side of the equation we have 7, show 7 1's. And on the right side we have x plus 2, so there's 1x plus 2. Okay, that's problems 1 through 7. We'll pick up the review with problem 8 on the next video.